Hi guys, in this video we will talk about microscope tutorial. This video will talk about how to make a prepared or specimen slide. So you will need a prepared glass and don't forget to clean it first. And you will need cover glass and also you need to clean it first. Now you can put a drop of water in the middle of the glass slide by using a pipette. Then you can take your sample by using tweezers. And this video I will use a piece of onion. And don't forget, take the most thin sample. Put the sample on the drop of water. And then put a drop of the dye. Usually you can use iodine on the top of the sample. And then put the cover glass, the clean one, on the top of the sample. Make sure that there's not a bubble on your sample. Maybe you will see that the sample is too dark and it will be difficult for us to see under the microscope. So the solution is you can give some drops of water on one side of cover glass. Then put tissue on the other side of cover glass so the dye will absorb by the tissue. As you can see, at the end, you will see that only at the part of sample that get the color of the dye, and it will make us easier to see it under the microscope. So this is the prepared ready to see under the microscope. This is the kind of light microscope that we have in our school. Now I will explain the part of microscope and how to use the microscope. Bright field light microscope. Here are the part of microscope I will start to explain from the bottom to the top. First, light source. The light source will pass through this and then the condenser's lens will focus the light. The light will be adjusted by the diaphragm. The prepared of object that we want to observe put on the stage. Then we will have bi-objective lenses and eyepiece lenses or ocular lens to get total magnification. So in fact, this is reverse to compound microscope because it has two kinds of lenses. As you can see, the objective lenses are attached to the revolving nose piece that help to rotating or changing the magnification of the objective lenses. In this microscope, there are three kinds of objective lenses: the magnify of 4 times, magnify of 10 times, and magnify of 40 times. But don't forget, with the eyepiece lens, the microscope uses 10 times magnification. So if I use objective lenses with magnify of 4 times, the total magnification of the multiply of 10 times with 4 times is 40 times of total magnification. Let's continue with some of knobs in here. This is the coarse focus for the big one, and the smaller is fine focus. Both of them help to move the stage with vertical movement or up and down. The coarse focus will move it significantly, but the fine focus moves it slowly. This knob is stage knobs. It will help to move the stage with horizontal movement, and it helps to explore the object. This is the microscope arm and base. When you want to move the microscope, make sure that one hand in the base and the other hand at microscope arm. Put the slide on the stage and use the stage clip to secure the slide. Turn on the light or search the light source. Start from magnify 4 times of objective lens. Control the light, maybe it's too bright or too dark. Put your eyes on the eyepiece and use the coarse focus to up and down the stage to search the focus. After you can see the object but it's not too focused, you can use the fine focus. You can use the stage knobs to center the object. After you can see the object focusedly, you can up the objective lens to 10 times of magnification. So remember the total magnification become 100 times and use the fine focus to focus the objective image. You can add again the magnification become 40 times. 3 tips of using microscope. First, be careful of using slide because it's easy to break. And be careful to use cover glass because it's easy to lose and broken. The second, always aware with the slide when you move the stage up and down, especially if you use the highest magnification. And the third, clean the slide and cover glass by using lens paper, don't use tissue paper. Microscope cleanup checklist. First, remove the slide and then turn off light and lower stage. Switch to lowest objective lens. And the last is secure power cord and cover it again. Thanks for watching this video.